Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can sync the music on your Instagram Reels or in general any audio. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing of course you need to do is you need to go into the Reel creation menu. I'm sorry for this battery pop-up, my cable is dying for some reason, but yeah, you just need to go and create a reel and then you can select whichever audio you would like. I'll just go with this song because why not? You can choose the part of the song you want. Actually, just slide it over, click done, and then you can go ahead and either create multiple videos or add them from the gallery. I'll just record some short videos here, go over here, enter the video editor, add some more, record just another piece, another clip, and I'll add one more for good measure because why not? And now that we have this, as you can see at the bottom, you have this audio, which you can tap and you can move around and sync it however you want. However, Instagram will automatically sync it up if you want to. Now, additionally, you might be able to add any other audio clips, in which case you will be able to do the exact same thing. So all you need to do is just sync it up however you would like. And if I, for example, discarded one of my clips, as you can see, the song itself shortens itself and it is afterwards synced up with your clip. And that is basically it. Now, if you're planning on using an audio clip such as this, make sure that your clips sync up with the audio itself. So make sure that the length of the clips is synced up. You might be able to use some templates for this if you want, since they usually sync up with the music that's being used. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.